Welcome everyone to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we create a simple function to return all the elements of an array except the first one. If the array has only one element, it remains unchanged. This is a common operation when working with arrays. Let's dive in. The goal here is to extract all elements from an array except the first one. For example, if the input is 1, 2, 3, the output will be 2 and 3. However, if the input is just 1, the result will be the same since there's only one element in the array. Here's the JavaScript function. The function checks if the array length is greater than 1. If it is, we use the slice method to create a new array without the first element. If the array has only one element, it is returned as is. This makes the function both concise and efficient. Here's how the program works step by step. First, it checks the length of the array. If the array has more than one element, the slice method extracts all elements except the first one. If the array contains only one element, it is returned unchanged. Finally, the resulting array is returned. Let's look at some examples. For the first one, the function returns just 2 and 3. However, for the second one, since there is only one element, the original array is returned unchanged. This behavior ensures the function handles arrays of any length gracefully. This function has several practical applications. It is useful for skipping headers or metadata in datasets. It can be used in queue operations where the front element needs to be removed. It is handy in functional programming when transforming arrays while preserving specific elements. In summary, this program demonstrates how to dynamically handle arrays of varying lengths. It is efficient and easy to understand, and applicable to many real-world scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next